seen these images that only two colors are used in them, like green and red? Even when the image is a portrait, the face and body is in red, for example. It is very fascinating to me, so I decided to check how Photoshop assists me in making these type of effects known as Duotone effect. Hello from Terry's! Let's change this image to a dual color image using the Duotone effect. Select the background layer and click on the adjustment layer icon. Now select solid color. In the appeared window, choose a color. I like it yellowish. Now click on some empty space on the new created layer, which is the color. And the layer style window will show up. You can also access this window by going to the layer menu and select blending option. Now here we have the red, green, blue or RGB channels. Test and try to find the best tonal color for your image by deselecting one color and having two other colors selected. Press OK to close the window and click on the new layer again to change and adjust the Duotone effect on your image. And yes, we are done. We nicely added a Duotone effect to our image. This is the border between modern and classic image design. Hope you like this technique and will use it in your artworks.